everybody, and welcome back. I hope you are having a really great week. We have been in the process of having some renovations done to our master bathroom. So we've had some work done for the last 2 or 3 days, and I think they're almost finished for the day, but if we hear a little racket, that's probably where it's coming from. But I'm glad you're here because I want to tell you about a product I found, and it's just perfect for the upcoming more social season and then into the holiday season, and that is a kit I found for nail sugaring. And this kit is called Caption Sugar. It's made by Young Nails. The kit comes in 4 different colors that I've found. There may be others out there, so I'm continuing to look, but I'll tell you about the 4 colors I've found, and I'm going to show you how to sugar your nails. Each Caption Sugar kit includes a 10 milliliter bottle of polish and a 1/4 ounce of this finely milled sugar glitter. And this particular kit is called Ladies First. The polish that comes in it is called Heart Me, and it comes with the Diamond Dust glitter. The other polishes that I found, or the other kits that I've found, are the Mistress kit, and it comes with a plum color polish and a purple glitter, and then there is the Gold Coast, and it comes with a kind of a bronzy looking color and gold glitter, and then Space, which is a gray polish and silver glitter. So there's a kit for just about everything, and those are the 4 that I have found. And I found this Ladies First kit at Ulta. They have a few of the other colors. They don't have every color. I haven't found them anyway, but be on the lookout for them. I found at Ulta. They were $9.95, and you can find them in the store and on the website. So let's get started with sugaring our nails. A couple of items you might want to have handy before you get started is nail polish remover and either Q-tips or a small brush you can use to remove the excess glitter around your nails. Now, if you don't have any polish on your nails, go ahead and use a nail polish remover to remove any body oil or hand lotions that might be on your nail that might keep the polish from adhering. And then if you have polish you don't want on your nails, go ahead and remove that. But here's something I have discovered. I have gel nails, and if you have gel polish that's been properly cured, you can use this Caption polish over your gel polish. And say, for instance, you want to have sugar nails for the weekend, but you don't want to wear it to work. Well, you can put it on for the weekend and then remove it for work, and you still have your gel nail polish on your nails. So I just was so excited about that because now we have options. But you can go ahead and take your polish remover, clean up those nails. I do it even if I have my gel nails, because I don't want to. I use a lot of body oils and hand lotions, and I want to get that off of my nails. Then after that's done, we're going to take our polish and we are going to polish our nails. Now you use this Caption polish exactly the way you would any other nail polish, but it's formulated to dry pretty fast. They say it's formulated to dry 3 times faster than regular nail polish. So you can see that I have just put that 1 coat on my nails. Now the next step is to sprinkle the glitter over your nails. The packaging indicates to sprinkle it, but when my container is this full, I just dip them in it, and I'll show you how. So what you want to do is tap that glitter into the polish, and that's going to set it in. Then I'm going to take a Q-tip and wipe the glitter around the polish. instructions don't indicate that you should put a top coat on it, but I don't think it would hurt anything if you wanted to. I've never done it. I like the texture that I can feel of the polish and the glitter, and so I just leave it as it is, and it'll last for a long time. And I hope that you enjoy your sugar nails, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please tap the subscribe button and follow me on Instagram. Bye!